Body language. Use your body to communicate yourself. Your body, better said, your body communicates what you are saying. Hello, my friend. 3 tips to speak well. 3 secrets to speak well. The first one is talk with emotion. Put emotion in your words. If I'm talking to you and I stay like this and you listen to me but you don't see emotion, you want to sleep now because no, you will talk to me and you will see my expressions. My voice will vary. When I need to highlight something, I will highlight. I will put emotion in my voice. And with it comes the second secret, which is body language. Use your body to communicate yourself. Your body, better said, your body communicates what you are saying. Use your body, use your hands, emotion. Dale Carnegie talks about it. He says, sincerity and enthusiasm and high earnestness will help too. When people are under the influence of their feelings, their real self comes to the surface. The bars are down. The heat of emotions has burned all barriers away. They act spontaneously, talk spontaneously, and act naturally. And now, the third and last secret, tip to speak well. Do it your way. Chris Anderson says, this is the most important lesson. This is a very trap and common situation. People tend to worry about how to give their lecture, and they end up forgetting the most important thing, which is giving your lecture your way. You have a special way of communicating, my friend, and I want to know, how do you communicate yourself? Comment here. Thank you very much. I want to know more about you, my friend. Thank you. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. New forms of lectures. Right now with technology,